project, we have been focused on young people's or students' food and exercise. Today's young people are bad at exercising and keeping their health in shape. Especially students are bad at getting any form of exercise in the weekday. It is an issue that students use too much time sitting and too little exercising. The common Danish is unclear about the fact that they eat too many calories and bad food. So what better way than teach the students? Could the gymnasium in some way give the young ones a kick in the ass and save Denmark a more secure future? Cause the health only goes one way and it's down. It will later also give a lot of issues, not only for you but also for the society. Since the topic is relatable to us, it is exciting to work with. We are going to look into young students' food and exercise habits.
Here you can see a graph of difference between different types of weight. It shows that when you are in our age, we talk about 16 to 24, most of the population is healthy, but is not really healthy on the inside. We do not think about our body's needs, and it will later on result in obesity. When you are young, your body can handle much more junk than when you are older, which means that sometime when you get older, it will show up physically. And as an example, if you look at the age of 45 to 54, overweight is the most common. At this graph, you can see the recommended calorie intake is about 30% fat, and in all the groups of ages, the recommended intake is exceeded and is about 35 of fat. That is really thought-provoking, and it will, at no discussion, be best if we change the young gymnasium students' bad habits. Thought-provoking, but what to do?
We have been asking ourselves how we can come up with a solution to this problem. At Køge Gymnasium, it is seen how bad students' food and exercise habits is. We have a couple of ideas as a solution to this problem. For starters, the canteen could serve some better and healthier food. Something that looks and tastes delicious, but it's still healthy. On the TV screens at the gymnasium, the school could drive some scarce campaigns with what the bad, trashy food does to our concentration in school, how we could end up looking, and how our body reacts to the unhealthy food. The school could also get a lecture out every other month to tell the students about exercise and why it is important, and food habits and what people on our age should be eating and why. The school could abolish Coca-Cola machines and candy machines at the school so it is less tempting. In the first lesson of the day, could the whole class go for a 20 minutes power walk and start the day. 30 minutes exercise every day can give you about 5 more years to live in. All of this could help us to get a better and healthier lifestyle as a student.
We can conclude that the school has a big part in young people's lives, and because of that, they need to make some changes. The school needs to intervene in the students' bad habits by getting the students' interest. It could be done if the student starts the day by going for a walk with their class, or if the students began to eat healthier food from the canteen and start getting help from professional lecturers in class. It could even be good enough to stand up instead of sitting on a chair the most of the day. We know that some forms of diseases can be improved by exercising, and it will help your health mentally and body physically just by doing 30 minutes of exercise during the day. so the student is actually able to provide the needed exercise in the school.